Welcome to the next edition of the Multifamily Investor Nation Summit Speaker Intro Series. With us right now is Hadar Orkibi. Hadar, welcome.
Thank you, Dan. Thank you for having me, and thank you for inviting me for this wonderful conference. I'm really excited to attend the summit.
Well, I think right now you're the speaker that is going to be tuning in from the farthest away because you're all the way over in New Zealand.
That's right, down under. We are now at 9 o'clock in the morning while you are closing the day.
That's correct. And, I know a lot of people that go to the event page, they're curious about who all these speakers are. And so I want you to get us started and kind of talk to us a little bit about who you are and your background as it relates to this multifamily space.
Great. So again, my name is Hadar Orkibi. I'm an American citizen, was born in Israel and immigrated to New Zealand about early 2000s. And since then, I've been investing in residential and commercial real estate. When I mean residential, I mean multifamily residential, and commercial, specifically retail and industrial, which is a buy and hold portfolio. So I do invest long-term, but I also trade properties. I'm currently doing some flips and things like that, which pays the bills in terms of income and reducing debt. I got to the point in New Zealand that my portfolio has grown significantly in equity, but the cash flow has been okay, but there are not a lot of cash flow opportunities in my chosen markets because the markets became more of appreciation markets, a bit more like San Francisco, LA, Boston, and New York. So as an American citizen, I decided to start expanding and educating myself and start investing in the US about 3 years ago, mainly to accelerate my cash flow position.
And what are you going to be speaking on at the event?
At the event, I will be speaking about investing in multifamily from out of states and out of the US. The content will be actionable content, which will be applicable for investors who are in America, in the States, who want to invest out of their area. There's a lot of places in the US when are not offering good price to rent ratios and good cash flows. So it will be really actionable content. I recommend to you to bring a pen to paper or anything you can take notes because I'm going to share with you my secret, if you like, for making it happen through being out of area. I will cover things like the mindset that one needs when investing out of area. Very important. It's a challenging business, especially when you are not exactly there. I will cover with you how to research and choose a market, how to build a team, and what to do and not to do when you're engaging and deciding on a deal, on specific deal, how to stay safe, especially in the current environment when we are in an expansion, we are in a booming market, but everybody knows that a downturn is probably not far away. So we can still make money in every market, but we need to know how to weather the storm if the market changes.
Well, and I know we were talking in the green room a little bit about, you had started to lay out all the content that you're going to be speaking on, and you had to cut it down a little bit because we only have that hour time spot there, and there's some time for questions and answers at the end. So I'm looking forward to your session. And so why do you feel it's important for somebody who maybe kind of, sitting on the fence right now as to whether or not they're going to register? Why do you feel it's important for them to attend an event like this?
The first thing for me is that this event, Dan, your event, is just a no-brainer because anybody could attend it. It's an online platform. You can even attend it if you're not at the office, if you're not at home. You don't have to go to travel to go to any event, which costs you an arm and a leg sometime to get to some of those events. In terms if you need to fly or get there. The panel of speakers is great. There's a wide variety of speakers in the event, which covers a lot of different subjects. And especially in the current investing environment, I think getting education from this caliber of speaker is very important and will set you up for success.
And you have a special promo code that you can share that'll give those people who are ready to register. They can go to mfinsummit.com and use your promo code to get $100 off.
Absolutely. So if you'd like to get this discount, you can use my promo code, which is Hadar. It's pretty much my first name, Hadar. And I will be looking forward to seeing you on Thursday, the 27th of June at 5 p.m. in room 1. Make it happen.